Hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video I'll show you how to create your image on Canva transparent. Here I already got my Canva and then this is my image, and then how to make it transparent is really easy. You just tap on your picture and then here you can see there is a chessboard icon which is transparency feature. So click that one and then you can adjust the transparency like this. See, now the image already transparent, 0 which means fully transparent, and then you can adjust your opacity based on your preferences. And then if you want to make it remove the background, the way is you just click edit image and then you can see this is the beige remover. Click that one and then will be automatically remove the background. Just wait. Okay, we're having trouble. Okay, maybe this is the trouble because I already put the transparency or the opacity. So let's say I want to remove the background from, let's say, this image. Okay, oh, this image is already transparent. Maybe you can see all. Let's try for let's say for this image. Okay, I don't know what is it, and then click edit image and then beige remover. Just wait. Okay, maybe my connection is not really good to make this beige remover. Okay, that's it. I hope you will not facing the error that I've met here. So if you think this content is helpful for you, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.